Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's start this video. A little bit of box action by this box. You should know what this is. Being about this time of year, let's get it to focus. Leave it up there while it focuses. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Black Varsity Red and White, aka the Jordan 1 Retro Patent Breds. The shoe has been killing me. Everybody has come in. They want 2-3 pairs of this shoe. They don't really last a couple steps, and they're either bending up in the front or whatever. Let me take out this tag. I got some StockX verified joints. Oh man, I had sent out to get StockX verified and sent back just in case, because patent leather shoes are easy to bootleg, and I don't want to have any fugazis out there. Materials on this shoe, again, are patent leather. It's pretty hard to mess up patent leather. Like I said, it's not my favorite Jordy, but I don't mind this Jordy at all. I got 2 pairs in my size. Got many pairs to sell. I tried to snatch up every pair I could. So you get black laces in the shoe just because so many people were always asking me for this shoe. To get an extra pair of red laces. So my pair StockX verified. It's the official StockX tag. No fugazis, foo-foos, reps, pure bullshit fakes I call them. As I said, everybody's trying to pass off bullshit fakes for this shoe, so definitely watch yourself if you go buy them. Getting them from somebody who you don't trust, or you're getting them from someplace that's not the Ozone. Like I said, definitely not a bad shoe. Not my favorite Jordan. I would take a normal pair of Breds, like I said, because I really don't like patent leather shoes. I only got 2 pairs of these just because. VIP status. Smell me. I'll give you guys a look of what the shoe is going to look like when it's going to be on your foot. They have extra laces. StockX verified, you know how I get down. Alright guys, you know what time it is. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe on the video. Let me know what shoes you want to get next or see next. Let me know if you guys get a pair of these. Did you try to get a pair? Are you mad that you didn't? Everybody, take it easy and stay safe out there.
Everybody fucking jump!